The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, has been gaining popularity in recent years, as people seek rapid weight loss and various health benefits. But is everything you hear about this diet true? In this video, we will unravel 10 myths and truths about the keto diet, so you can make informed and conscious decisions about this way of eating. Let's find out now, but first I would like to inform you that if you are looking for a personalized diet plan, I will leave in the comments fixed the link of custom keto diet. I'm sure it will help you. Myth 1: the keto diet is the best way to lose weight. Truth: the keto diet can be effective for weight loss, especially in the short term. However, it is not the only way to lose weight and not the best for everyone. Detailed explanation. The keto diet puts the body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose, sugar, from carbohydrates. This can lead to rapid weight loss, mainly from water and body fat. But remember, the keto diet can be difficult to follow in the long term due to dietary restrictions and changes in metabolism. Possible side effects include fatigue, constipation, nausea, bad breath, and mood swings. Long-term studies on the effectiveness of the keto diet for weight control are still inconclusive. Myth 2: the keto diet cures diseases like diabetes and cancer. Truth: the keto diet may have some benefits for people with type 2 diabetes, helping to control blood sugar. However, there is no cure for diabetes, and the diet should be supervised by a doctor or nutritionist. Studies on the effects of the keto diet on cancer treatment are still inconclusive. More research is needed to determine if it can be beneficial for cancer patients. Myth 3: the keto diet is safe for everyone. Truth: the keto diet is not recommended for everyone. People with health problems such as kidney, liver, pancreatic, or heart disease, pregnant women, lactating women, and children should not follow the diet without strict medical supervision. Detailed explanation. The keto diet can lead to electrolyte imbalances, increased levels of bad cholesterol, and nutrient deficiencies, especially vitamins and minerals. Pregnant and lactating women need even stricter nutritional monitoring, as the diet can affect the baby's development or the quality of breast milk. Children who are growing have specific nutritional needs that may not be met by the keto diet. Myth 4: you can eat anything on the keto diet. Truth: the keto diet has strict dietary restrictions. Carbohydrates, such as bread, rice, pasta, sugars, and fruits, should be eliminated or extremely reduced. The focus of the diet is on good fats: olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, coconut oil, 70 to 80% of calories. Proteins: meats, fish, eggs, 20 to 25% of calories. Low-carb vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, zucchini, 5 to 10% of calories. Myth 5: the keto diet requires no lifestyle changes. Truth: to be successful on the keto diet, it is important to combine it with a healthy lifestyle. This includes regular physical activity, at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days of the week. Maintain regular sleep, 7 to 8 hours per night, to ensure the body recovers and regulates hormones. Manage stress. Techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing can help control stress, which can negatively affect the results of the diet. The keto diet alone does not guarantee long-term results. Adopting healthy habits is crucial for maintaining weight loss, improving overall health, and preventing disease. Myth 6: the keto diet is high in protein and low in fat. Truth: the keto diet is high in good fats, 70 to 80% of calories, and moderate in protein, 20 to 25% of calories. Myth 7: the keto diet causes constant fatigue and tiredness. Truth: it is common to experience fatigue and tiredness at the beginning of the keto diet due to the body's metabolic adaptation to ketosis. This period usually lasts a few days or weeks and can be called the keto flu. To To minimize these effects, stay hydrated, drink plenty of water and consume liquids with electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium. Increase your intake of good fats, prioritize healthy sources like avocado, olive oil, and nuts to provide energy to the body. Strategic supplementation. Under medical supervision, consider supplementing electrolytes, especially if you engage in intense physical activity. Myth 8. The keto diet is essential for muscle development. Truth. The keto diet is not essential for muscle development. It is possible to build muscle by following a high-protein diet with adequate calorie intake, regardless of the diet. However, some studies suggest that the keto diet may preserve muscle mass during weight loss, as the body uses less protein as an energy source. Increase satiety, which can help with appetite control and aid in the weight loss process. Myth 9. The keto diet is the only way to enter ketosis. Truth. Ketosis is a metabolic state where the body uses fat as its primary source of energy. The keto diet is one way to induce ketosis, but it is not the only way. Other factors can lead to ketosis, such as prolonged fasting. Going without food for extended periods forces the body to seek alternative energy in stored fat. Intense exercise. During strenuous physical activity, glucose stores become depleted, potentially leading to ketosis. Diseases. Uncontrolled diabetes, for example, can lead the body into ketosis due to difficulty using glucose as an energy source. Myth 10. The keto diet eliminates bad breath. Truth. The keto diet can initially cause bad breath. This occurs due to the production of ketones, substances produced by the liver in the absence of glucose as an energy source. Ketones have a characteristic odor, often described as acetone or rotten fruit. This effect usually diminishes over time as the body adapts to ketosis. However, the keto diet can contribute to bad breath if there is poor oral hygiene. Inadequate brushing of teeth and tongue allows bacteria to accumulate, causing bad breath. Improper disposal of ketones. If the body cannot eliminate ketones efficiently through urine, they can be released through the breath, contributing to bad breath. To minimize bad breath on the keto diet, practice good oral hygiene, brush your teeth and tongue regularly, and consider using an alcohol-free mouthwash. Drink plenty of water. Proper hydration helps eliminate ketones through urine. Increase fiber intake. Fiber aids in digestion and elimination of food waste that can contribute to bad breath. We hope this comprehensive guide has clarified the main myths and truths about the keto diet. Remember, the keto diet may be an option for some people, but it is crucial to consult with a doctor or nutritionist to see if it is suitable for your health and goals. This guide also included examples of allowed and forbidden foods on the keto diet. 1. Allowed foods on the keto diet. Meats, lean cuts of beef, pork, poultry, skinless. Fish and seafood. Eggs. Healthy fats, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado, nuts, seeds. Low-carb vegetables, leafy greens, asparagus, zucchini, mushrooms. Cheese, aged varieties. Small portions of berries. Sugar-free sweeteners, in moderation. 2. Restricted or forbidden foods on the keto diet. Grains, bread, rice, pasta, cereals. Sugary drinks and foods, juices, sodas, candy, desserts. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Most fruits, due to fructose content. Starchy vegetables, potatoes, corn, peas. Processed foods, packaged snacks, condiments high in sugar or carbs. Remember, this list is a general guide, and the amount of daily carbs allowed on the keto diet can vary depending on your metabolism, goals, and individual needs. Always consult a doctor or nutritionist for a personalized meal plan appropriate for your health. Tips for substituting foods on the keto diet. Replace bread with lettuce wraps, grilled eggplant slices, or low-carb bread alternatives. Substitute pasta with zucchini noodles, shirataki noodles, or cauliflower rice. Instead of rice, opt for steamed cauliflower florets or riced cauliflower. Swap potatoes for roasted zucchini chips, cauliflower mash, or moderate portions of sweet potato. Replace sugary treats with keto-friendly desserts made with sugar substitutes, berries, dark chocolate, high cocoa content, or nuts and seeds. With planning and creativity, it is possible to maintain a delicious and sustainable keto diet in the long term.